Bryan Adams in concert sa Wynn Hotel sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Apa nasayod ka ba nga si Bryan Adams mo idol ninyong hikala? Gani bisan bisakay tag jeep gikan sa Quezon South sa Colon, Cebu City paingon sa Bunok, moabot kita sa Talisay tungod kay makalimuta nga ato na ang destination apan nalingaw ta sa pagpaminaw sa idol nako nga iyang mga sonata.
know it's true. Everything I do. Look into your heart, and you will find there's nothing there to hide. Just take me as I am, take my life. I would give it all, I would sacrifice. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. But you know it's true. Everything I do, everybody, I do it for you. Hey, I do it for you, baby. There's no love like your love, and no other could give no love. There's nowhere unless you're there on time, all the way. Look into your heart, baby. Oh, you can't tell me it's not worth trying for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. I would fight for you, I'd lie for you, love to ride for you, yeah, I'd die for you. It's true, everything I do. I walk the wire for you, baby. Yeah, I die for you, baby. We'll see it through. Yeah, we'll see it through. One time. Can't tell me it was dying for. I'll be there. I want that long, long road for you, baby. Going all the way, you can't tell me it's not worth trying for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. I would fight for you, Give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we could make one more start. You know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart. It's easy, but who's to say that we'd be able to keep it this way? But it's easier coming straight from the heart. Oh, just give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make another start. But you know I never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart. Well, you know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart. Give it to me. Oh yeah, straight from the heart. Well, you know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart. I see you on the streets another time, and all our words would just fall out of line while we're dreaming straight from love. Everybody, thank you very much for coming. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Busa karon mga amigo, mga amiga, nasayod ka na nga si Bryan Adams maoy idol ninyong higala kung maghisgot tag musika. Laliman ka, dili lang kay Sano South padong sa tabunok nga mulapas ko paingon sa Talisay. Usahay sa musakay ko gay Sano South sa Dalan Colon, Cebu City, paingon unta ko sa tabunok, musakay ko Minglanilla. Tungod kina tintal ko sa pagpaminaw sa mga sonata ni Bryan Adams, aw maabot ko sa Minglanilla. Labi nag ang tukar nga katapusan nga naa sa jeepney nga akong gisakyang paseroan ang Everything I Do It For You. Mulapas jud ko mga amigag, mga amigo. Ikaduha na akong paborito kining Summer of 69 ay katulo kining Straight From The Heart.